What are we doing? Is it off-roading? We're off-roading. Oh yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
We're four-wheeling. This may be our destination.
Let's start with the video camera.
We are here.
How are you guys doing back there?
We're pretty cold, but we're excited.
Yeah, it's freezing.
It is so cold.
Wave to the camera. Or not. Dave is gonna see where we are.
What is it?
I'm not saying you are here.
All right, let's go.
Get in the car, guys! This is what we have to look forward to.
All right, guys, hang on.
Sweet.
Some beautiful trees to our side.
To our side.
Oh, pavement ends. Yes.
Yes! And the pavement ends. Yeah. Oh, big rock in the road.
Somebody's carving pretty high on that road.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so nervous right now. We will not hurt any bears. This is their home. Mr. Rose, you're doing great. Brian, good job navigating.
With this, I'm just gonna sit here laid back to this nice mellow beat, you know, and drop some smooth lyrics. Cause it's 88, time to set it straight, you know what I'm saying? And there ain't no half stepping. Word, I'm ready. Rappers stepping to me, they wanna get some, but I'm the Kane, so yo, you know the outcome. Another victory, they can't get with me. So pick a BC date, cause you're history. I'm the authentic poet to get lyrical. For you to beat me, it's gonna take a miracle. And stepping to me, yo, that's
Oh, they got snowballed.
No part? Like, that's pretty legit. We almost died. It was great. So when we went through it, it would slit and the back started to fishtail. And so like, we were just on the cliff down there. All I could think was see was the expedition rolling down the That's so back up and going, oh, you want to take
Here we are stuck in the snow.
Right?
Alright, hey guys, hey, we need everybody up here. We gotta push him out of here.
We have to push the Explorer.
We are pushing the car.
We are pushing the Explorer out of the snowbank. And there's a cliff right there.
My feet are so cold. Oh, he's right. I should have won.
Hey guys.
All I'm saying.
Good job, Johnny.
Alright guys, everybody in the back, we're gonna push and try to get him up and over this little hump. Okay, ready? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, Johnny, give it some gas, dude! Yeah, be careful, Brian.
Victory! No one died! Look at what we got through with Johnny's Explorer. We are the champions. There is no road here. I don't know how we're doing this.
You're trying to make it for earlier, huh?
Oh,
I don't know.
big ol' rock.
Usually in these areas, he would like stop.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh, I see heads up above.
Touch this.
I hope they're not stuck. That'd be absolutely horrible. What if the car just like rolled?
Down there.
Oh, we have to turn around. Oh my god.
Don't go.
How are we supposed to turn around?
I hate you all.
Seems we are in a pickle. and watch your face. We're going over trees right now.
Little trees.
Nature's in our way.
My Facebook status, I destroyed nature tonight.
And my car.
I'll leave that part out. Stop.
Oh, wait.
Just watch that log back there.
Yeah.
You got about 6 feet to go back.
This is the log they're talking about.
Little more, another foot. Another. That's good.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, you'll be out of there in no time.
This is gonna make one heck of a video.
Yeah, the Expedition is actually a great off-road vehicle.
That's what you said. I mean,
One of the best.
street driver.
There's a lot of mosquitoes down here.
That's what I do. Okay, up and over the trees. We're in full-on four-wheel drive mode. It's getting really dark. I can't see anything. Frank, you gotta move that log.
Oh. This car is gonna look
Which one? The one right in front of us. Just a little one, but we're driving over.
Braden's removing a log.
You need help.
Oops.
Worst place to get out.
I'm glad you're recording on this, Claire.
Thank you, Braden.
Have fun. Have fun living on your own. It's all been
So long.
This whole thing was a setup to lose you in the woods. Your parents paid us a lot of money.
Like, what is that? Seriously, how did he manage to do that?
He acted like he was crazy. He's like, alright, I'm coming, guys.
Braden's fault.
This does not sound good.
Oh, this is what's fun.
Possible vlogs.
He's like too fast.
Everyone maybe laugh.
That is
Cracking myself up.
Abandon ship, CB. Like, turn the music down so the video camera can capture my words. I think it adds a lot to the video.
Famous last words.
Maybe I can just like voice over the thing, just like give a commentary. Director's edition commentary. Was that the worst of it? There's still a lot of like words you gotta remember.
I don't remember. I think that was the worst.
Just keep telling ourselves that till we use next.
I think if you take it off
It's okay, guys.
four-wheel drive now.
You haven't been in four-wheel drive?
No, I just was.
Oh.
I'm usually in all-wheel drive. It takes less toll on the car, but it still helps.
Aren't there only 4 wheels?
Sit down the car!
Yeah, I remember this part being kind of bad. Like they're all saying.
Sounds like the edit is like it's gonna be the video.
Oh shoot, the creek.
Like, it is a great
We need to capture the
I forgot about the creek.
I love the creek.
We all. Especially this time of year.
Hope my father never watches this video.
More time of year.
Getting darker.
We still have ways to go down.
But once we get to like the main road, it's
Yeah,
so
it's not
easy.
that bad.
Oh, really?
Like I was just like fooling around on the first part.
Okay.
Roll the windows up. It's gonna get muddy.
What's going on?
It's gonna get muddy.
Oh.
Now it's gonna get wet.
I feel like I'm on a Disney ride.
That was Claire's fault. She could have felt like a Disney ride.
I did not.
Oh, I thought the snow was the worst it could possibly get. Claire didn't video that? No one knows about that.
That hurt really bad.
I landed right on the seatbelt and killed the seam just buckled up.
We You guys aren't buckled? What are you thinking? Wait, what? What's so funny? Buckle up, Mary!
Hey, it fixed the car. All the lights are off.
That's either a good thing or a bad thing.
Oh yeah, the log. Want us to move it?
We think we get past one obstacle just to encounter another.
And another pickle comes out.
Guys, I'm pretty sure we can handle it. Like a whole Bigfoot.
We got through that one, okay.
I will get out and kill him with a rock.
This is an awesome day.
Johnny. Like I said, when Mr. Rose puts random coordinates in his GPS, you're going to the forest. And you may not make it out alive.
I really want to see a bear now. You can top something. Shake up the car. Anyone else feeling that? I am not. Good song.
Put it on the top of the car.
I'm living in that 21st century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen do it. Screams from the haters, got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power.
We're on our way back now. We survived. Good job, Johnny. Oh, I can't see anything.